80 to 90,000 people, 4 different trains, in one destination, Prayagraj. All of this started when the train which was supposed to be in platform number 1230 was diverted to platform number 16. This created a havoc on the stairs of platform number 15. Why? Because the public which was waiting for the train on platform number 1230 rushed to get on the platform 16. But the major role was played by the public which was waiting for different trains on platform number 14 and 15 as they joined this population. This created a havoc. This created a stampede on the stairs of platform number 15. Today, I want to talk to you about a tragedy that shook the nation. Disaster that was not just unfortunate, but entirely preventable. The New Delhi railway station stampede was a result of negligence, mismanagement, and a complete lack of preparation by the authorities. It cost lives, injured many, and left families in pain. Let me take you back to that dreadful evening. It was a routine day at the station. It was crowded, chaotic, but manageable. People were waiting for the trains, some tired from the long journeys, others eager to return home. At 5 pm, a large number of passengers gathered at platform 14, waiting for the Bhubaneswar Express, or we can say Bhubaneswar Tejas Rajdhani Express. But the train was delayed by over 10 hours. As time passed, more people arrived, adding to the congestion. At 9 pm, another train, the Swatantrata Senani Express, was also delayed. This meant that the platforms 14 and 15 were packed with anxious travelers, most of whom were headed towards Prayagraj for the Grand Mahakumbh Mela. The crowd kept growing, and yet no crowd control measures were taken. And then the turning point came. The Prayagraj Express train 12418 was already stationed at platform 14, but another train, Prayagraj Special, was scheduled to arrive at platform 12. Suddenly, a last moment announcement was made. Prayagraj Special will now arrive at platform 16. Imagine the panic. Thousands of people were already stranded at platforms 14 and 15. They had to rush to platform 16. There was no proper exit plan, no security personnel guiding them. Blocked staircases, narrow pathways, and single staircases leading to platform 16 turned the station into a death trap. People began running in desperation. Some tripped, others fell over them. A domino effect started. People were crushed, trampled, suffocated. The sheer pressure of the crowd turned fatal within minutes. 15 innocent lives were lost, including children and women. Dozens were left injured, some in critical condition. And in a blink of an eye, what was meant to be a journey of faith and hope turned into a nightmare. Why did this happen? The answer is simple: negligence, poor planning, zero accountability. Authorities knew the station would be overcrowded before Kumbh Mela, yet no extra arrangements were made. Train delays kept piling up the crowd, yet no measures were taken to manage them. The last minute platform change created a mass panic, yet no safety precautions were in place. Blocked staircases left the people with no escape, leading to their suffocation and trampling. And after the tragedy, damage control began. More security was deployed. Compensation was announced for the deceased. Crowd monitoring systems were proposed. But the question remains, why did the people have to die before the action was taken? This is not the first time this has happened. Time and again we have seen similar disasters. Crowd surges at railway stations, temple stampedes, mismanagement at festivals. Every time we mourn, every time promises are made, and every time we return to the same cycle of ignorance and negligence. When will this stop? The lives lost at New Delhi railway station should not be just the statistics. They should be a wake-up call, a call for accountability, a call for better infrastructure, a call for stricter crowd management policies. We must demand answers. We must demand change.